Hello. Hello. Today also how to install the Python in Revit plugin. First, you need to go and search right here Python Revit. Okay. Uh, Python Revit. Then after you need to go the first one, and here is our Python. Here develop the Python Revit plugin. Okay. Then you have here installation. Please use the latest release and download this Python. It is supported in 2024. Yeah, so to this install here, and after I have already downloaded. Okay, after that, here is install. You can put nowhere. I have already installed it. I'll show you. Okay, I'll go this one. Okay, let's wait. Think. Okay, I have already done. Let's go to Open Revit. Okay, let's it open. It will take me time. Let us wait. Is it new? I'll open this one. It's taking time. Let's wait. This is our platform. Now we need to the install file will be here. So add in, and here is our internet Python. And here we do the programming, and I'll show in the next video how we did it. Thank you for watching.